Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Honda Insight Easy Guide. First, ensure both cars are off and keys are away, then open both hoods and locate batteries. Clean any corrosion from terminals with a brush and a rag. Keep cables untangled and positioned safely. Confirm battery voltages if you have a multimeter. Always keep faces and hands clear of moving parts during the process for safe jumpstarting. Now we'll connect the jumper cables step by step so you feel confident and safe. Start by attaching the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery and then to the positive terminal of the donor battery. Next, attach the black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, secure the last black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal grounding point on the stalled car away from the battery. Keep cables clear of belts. If you found these jumpstart tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup after messy roadside repairs a breeze. I use it to keep my car area tidy without lifting a finger. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 3 to 5 minutes to transfer charge. Try starting the Honda Insight while the donor car idles, and if it turns over, allow the engine to run for several minutes to stabilize the electrical system. When removing clamps, reverse the hookup order and avoid contact between clamps or painted areas. Drive or charge the battery to maintain its restored power after jump starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.